Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So fruit and nut trees assorted $22. So it looks like we have snow peach, donut peach, fair time peach, a nectarine. Ooh, I wonder if these would die though where I live. Harvest June cold hardy. There's a gold apricot in the back. Tropic snow peach we've seen. Here's a different peach. Babak, Babak, or Babcock, sorry. Oh, I love peaches and nectarines. Here's a golden, a sweet apricot. I would just hate to buy and then they die, you know. And over here, we got lemon, a grapefruit, citrus, and these are all out. Look at that one, already has some ground.
Look at that, and it's a little shorter.
I know.
That's a good tree.
I'm trying to find a price for them. Might be around here.
We got lemons.
Lemons.
Yeah, I'd like to do that.
They're gonna be $33. The resin planter, you will get 3 for $20. Heavy duty hose. Okay, I don't think I've seen this one. It's gonna be $40, only 60 feet.
It's capable.
A shed resistant rug. They're $80 here. And 160. Now the larger Thomasville one will be 300. And of course Nautica, which I think we might have seen before, 150. $250. It's really nice, very soft. Really soft. I'm just debating on grabbing one, but I wouldn't know what color because I'm using it for my office and for the dog. The dog deserves $250. A 4-piece, a $10.99. You get 2 hand and 2 wash. Hydro cotton. They do have some multiple colors in here. So this is a new one. The beach towels are here, and of course you will get 2. Keep calm and surf on. We have a dinosaur, unicorn in here. They're 17. Adidas hats. Okay, these are going to be $14. Keep your head cool when you're playing golf or you're out there in the sun. Ladies thermal. Okay, they're going to be $13.50. Keep your feet cozy even when you're wearing boots, you guys. I mean, hey, I love to wear socks in the house. Actually, my daughter does. I wear house shoes. She doesn't. She's like the only one in our house who doesn't wear house shoes.
Yeah.
And you know, when you have a dog and we have tile only.
So gross.
Yeah, I'm like, dude, wear house shoes. Okay, you get 16 in here. 0 net carb tortilla. These are $5.99 in the Costco. Cub carding, 60 calories. No added sugar, high in fiber. Normally I find this brand at Sprouts. I mean, I've been wanting a bean burrito. Maybe I should pick this up instead of going to the grocery store. $5.99. We have stone oven organic half baguette. Okay, they're $5.99. Ooh, what? Oh gosh, you know I love bread. Who doesn't love bread? You know what? Been watching so many people make sourdough bread, and I'm all like, the art of sourdough is amazing. So $5.99. And you get 6 in here, so that's a pretty good price. So these are $7.29, ends on the 29th, and you get 16 ounce. Again, you heard me talk about it before. I'm not really a fan of it. I don't really eat it, but I did have one, but my son, no. Okay, today we have organic chickpea puffs, a vegan nacho vibe. They're $6.74. I don't think I ever seen this one. It is keto friendly. We have by Blue Moose, green chili cheddar dip, and I love a good dip. Oh gosh, you guys, so hard to try to, you know, eat clean. This is 7, ends February 12th, and there's no limit. And $11.99. Look at this one. 3 cheese pretzel salt, French toast, the classic pretzel. Okay.
This is a tease. There should be a big hot dog right in.
Oh, hot dog. Look at all this stuff. Brand new into Costco. Okay, I really want this one. $14.59. Cheesy garlic. Ooh, I could do my pasta with it. You get 10 in here. The orange chicken on clearance at $13.39, and no limit, ends on the 29th. And you get 36 in here, and so a lot of people say this one is pretty good. At $10.49, ends on the 12th of February. Okay, the fruit here, well, this one is organic, so it's 4 pounds for $11.99. For non-organic, like fruit blend, in the business center you get 2 5-pound for $20, so it would be cheaper. Right now all my Costco just has organic. So these are back, $10.99. Milk chocolate strawberries. I still haven't tried them. Are they even worth the rage, you guys? I try not to give in. These are really good, and they're $12.49, and you get 10. So finally my Costco has a heart macaroon. We have chocolate, raspberry, and vanilla. These are $11.99. And $14.59. Chocolate dream. My husband's like drooling over this one. I'm surprised they still have the pot pie. I thought this was like discontinued after the holidays. Same stuff. They have the salad, $1.99. I know we've seen this one already, so like 15. Okay, so it's $3.99, 88% fat. Yeah, this is like a 5-pound, 5.5, so 25 bucks. Yeah, it'd be better just to get like the big chub. If you're needing a tray, the vegetable tray, remember Super Bowl is $11.99. Also, you can make your own tray. It does come with like ranch, and $10.99 for the fruit bowl. You want mangoes, 2 pound, cut up for you, $11.99. Organic shiitake mushrooms are $10. Butternut squash, 2 pound. It is organic for $7. I do love butternut squash, and if I could find it pre-cut already, some plus for me. Okay, they do have organic asparagus for $7. That's a 2.5. Brussels sprouts for $89. You love them or hate them. 2 pound. $9.49. We have the Naughty Bird and dog toy. These are 10. My dog would love it. Look at that. Look at that guy. He's like just swinging around. I like this colorful one.
Yeah.
$9.49. They have a red one.
They're nice and heavy.
Yeah, they kind of remind me of like a dodo bird. So this guy reminds me of Kevin from Up. $9.49 here. New stuff. And they squeak. Okay, the dental. What?
So it's a rope, and then it's one of those squeaky, spiky balls in there.
Okay.
But it's like a heavy duty one. It's not like a cheapy one.
Dentastix, 15. Your limit is 3. Ends on the 22nd. And $18.99 for your dog. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna end it here in Costco. I don't see anything too new in jewelry. that we haven't seen before. I do love looking at it because, like, why not? Right? All the gold stuff is still here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.